This is a 350 small block that I stroked. I've got the Eagle crank, Eagle H-beam rods. I got a Voodoo camshaft in it, 489 504 lift. It's got pro top line heads, brand new, 200cc intake runners, 202 exhaust, 180 intake, RPM air gap intake, Edelbrock carburetor. It has Doug Thorley tri-Y headers on it. Attached to that is a 40 series Flowmaster exhaust.
How many miles on the engine?
There is about 2,500 miles on the whole drivetrain itself.
On the drivetrain.
This has a TH400 B&M. It also has a 2400 whole shot B&M stall torque converter in it with the Hurst quarter stick ratchet shifter.
One, two, three.
The trunk pans have been replaced and totally lined. As well as the trunk being lined, the whole underside of the body has been coated. The whole frame has been Pour 15. There's all new bushings through the whole entire car.
Okay, now here we're going to start the engine. Shot from the back, starting it up so we can see if there's any smoke coming out, and it does have dual exhaust.
The interior has been completely restored back to original. Besides the shifter, it's all original in that car. All the gauges work, everything works. The dash is all good except there is a small crack on the far right side on the passenger side.